Good evening. So I'm back here again at GBPJPY for our time frame. So I had to remove some stuff on this chart because if I added them there, to be honest, it would have just made everything so complicating, like so complicating. Because I've been finding it hard to get a very good entry point since. Though there was a previous analysis I sent and it actually worked in that way, but I trade long term, so I'm really looking for a very good long term entry. So at this point, I will go lower to 1 hour time frame and see what has been going on here. So I think in the previous video, I drew one line around this point that it was going to get to that point and be rejected. So you can see that we have double taps at that place. There's a double tap there at this region. Sorry. Okay, so at this region, there is a double tap there, if you notice. So now meaning that there is so much rejection at that point, and we're expecting this trade to fall seriously. And of course, there are concepts in forex that whenever a market goes in such a move like this, there will surely be a very strong um downtrend that will follow suit. So I'm still looking for an entry point for this that should be very okay. And so we can see that price is just getting to a point, going back, getting there, going back. Now this one, I'll look at the market as a form of consolidation. So if I thought I want to draw anything, I can take note of this region. So I can take note of that region. Price has gotten there and has retested backward. Okay, so you can see the 30 minutes time frame is, I think this thing is a bit ranging. Yes, that's something that do happen. It's something that do happen whenever a market moves in such a very strong way like that. It will start ranging or more or less consolidating. But this one feels it wants to range. So we are looking at market coming back to this point. The line that I just drew, market should come there and still probably go back up again. So for now, I think this trade is still going to be consolidating. So I guess we should just leave the trade. Let's just do what it wants to do for now. Besides, now is a very wrong time to trade. We have the best time to trade, which is the London session and the New York session. So I think till tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., should have seen some good setups. Though midnight, during the night, sometimes trade do form some good entry points. Yes, you can enter that. That's just in preparation for London session. So but I'm going to leave this thing till tomorrow morning. I'm going to leave it till tomorrow morning. But probably maybe midnight, if I see a very good entry point, I would enter and I'll make a video on it explaining it.